But in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative method that is free, and you can use this free software to export any image in the blending format. And this will be a quick tutorials. So let's start. So as you can see, this is inside Canva, and I have imported this image here, but I have not blend this image here because the pro version will need to use this blend software. There is a free alternative that is called Photopea, and this is the URL to this website, photopea.com. This website is completely free. You do not have any kind of paid things. You can use it completely free. They will just show you some ads right here, as you can see. But this tool can make the blending process very easy, and also you can do it. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. Let's create a new project. This is my same project size that I'm using here. Then I'm going to import the image that I want to use. Let's say I want to use this image, and I also want to this same mountain image right here. Now to use this, there is a cool way that you can do it. So first of all, you select this image. So once you select the image that you want to resize, just select and then show transformation control, and then you can drag it like this. Now we will remove the background here, and also the removing background is completely free inside Photopea. So just right click on this, just close it, and then right click on this and remove background. That's it. So as you can see, this is a free tool. It will show you some ads in between different kind of tasks because they have to pay for the hosting for the software. That's it. But we as a user, we can use it completely free. So I'll just close this ad. Now as you can see, it is processing your image to remove the background, and this work as good as your Canva. As you can see, this is the here, everything is perfect. Now we'll use this image and just place it completely like this. Now we want to use the blend feature. So do this, you just need to right click on this and click this option, clipping mask. As you can see, we already make it like the hub blending option. Now we'll go to this option. As you can see in the layers section, if you don't have this option, go to view and windows, and from here you select this option, layers, and then let's click here and go to this option, skin. So that's it. Now you can see we have successfully done the blending completely free. We don't need the pro version of the Canva. Now I'll just select this layer, press Ctrl M from my keyboard. You will see this curvature, and you can drag it like this or so to make it more realistic, like this on this. That's okay. Now our design is done. We can just simply go to files and click on export as PNG. That's it. Now you can see you can change the size and quality, everything. So there is no need to use anything pro. It's completely free. Just click on save. That's it. Now if I want to now add this inside my Canva, I'm just go here and drag and drop it like here. That's it. So you can see without any using any pro feature of Canva, we can do this kind of blending. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you learn something new, please hit the subscribe button. That's help a lot. So thank you so much. I will see you guys on the next video.